If you can't tell by all the dirt bike noises, we are at OSW, and joining me today is Taylor Ray and Matt the Ginch.
Should do some cool like Japanese intro things. What do they do?
That'd be really cool, but then this video would come out in like a week because I don't know how to do that, and I have to like.
Okay, yeah.
All right, okay. So to get to the point, we are here at OSW. This was supposed to be the first time that the Cream Z gets tested. We have Matt with his Z, and we have Taylor with his Seat Time Missile Car Z. Look at the three Zs. So before we get started, I thought we'd do like a super basic walkthrough of the cars just to give you an idea of the different setups that we have here. Matt, take it away.
All right, so what we have here is we have 2003 350Z, base DE. Only motor power is quantum spacer and test pipes with some exhaust in the back. I have wide strap in the front, dual Mishimoto coolers, one for power steering, one for oil. And then I have BC coilover front and rear, and then rear toe and camber arms to flatten out the rear. With 10 to 265s on the back that are rubbing a little bit, but who cares? I have some speed dents and Cooler Works short shifter, amazing PBM hydro with a Pro Series Fab dual caliper bracket in the rear, and a cage and some seats and some harnesses and a good driver.
Everybody's gonna be like, Matt's so cocky.
Okay, no,
I'm just kidding. Matt's like the most humblest dude in the world, and he absolutely shreds. You guys saw him in the last video. You guys already know what's done on the giveaway car, but in case you're new to the channel, this is also a 2003 with a 2004 DE motor. Only performance mods is a wide pipe back single tip ISR exhaust. It has rack spacers, removed bump stops, some Cosmos wheels, BC true coilovers in the rear, BC in the front, and the interior 100% bone stock other than a wheel, and it parties. It gets down. Am I forgetting anything? It's got like a sweet KBD kit. Did I forget anything? Is that it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, yeah, and it rips. You guys saw it the other day. Taylor?
All right, mine is actually new. It's a 2005.
Ooh.
Yeah, I've got the 6 wrinkle red PBM angle kit. Custom ordered that, and I painted it. Horrible front tires, put R-Comps in the front. All the arms in the back, except I haven't done the bucket delete because it has crappy teens, which are separate spring and shock still, but I'm going to do that later. In the interior, it has dual caliper bracket, has ASD hydro, D&D performance steering wheel and quick release, old bride fake probably seat, and it's got some motor upgrades. Like it's got lightweight pulleys, a plenum spacer, a tune, but it feels like it's as fast as a stock one. So,
what do you have for tires in the rear?
These are some old art comps, but I'm going to be putting on some really crappy 235s.
Okay, I'm on 235 Kendas, so it sounds like me and you are going to be similar on grip, and then we got grip guy over here with 265
I don't know
Kendas.
what is wrong with your car, but it's like abnormally fast. I'm doing everything I can, and my car's still slower. Why didn't you get? I'll tell you. I'll ask you later about traction arms, but.
Okay, so we are about to go out and just have some fun. First off, we're probably going to do some tandems with the Z's, hopefully get some cool pictures, some cool footage. See how they all hang together, and then after that we might just do some practice. I'll take out the 240. I want to do some laps with Taylor, me and you with the Cream machines.
Yeah, we got to do cream on cream.
And then Taylor's also going to be doing a like drift review of my 240 for his channel, so we'll probably take a break somewhere in there and you can do that.
Assuming you don't run out of the 85.
No, we'll be good,
Okay.
Taylor and Matt set up a pretty cool layout, so I'm going to go test it out. I'm curious to see if the stock handbrake is going to cooperate for all of today, because if so, that'd be really nice. I haven't driven this layout in a while. What the heck? I went wrong. Totally forgot there's a wire that I need to cut so I can left foot brake, which will make tandems way better with this car. You just unpin it, or do you cut the wire?
I just cut the wire.
I drive this car better than I drive my own. Interesting layout for Tandem. Very interesting, actually. Homemade tire pit to cool down the tires. My line was a little bit icky, but that was fun.
A little too deep, but I was like slowing down.
I was pretty close.
Yeah, that was good.
That's so much fun. Just filmed his drift review on my car, so now while he's in the car I'm just gonna hop in the Z and I'm gonna follow him. He's gonna drive my 240. I think the Z's faster in drift right now because my car just doesn't have any grip. So some cream tandems on track. my tires. Might give third a shot. I don't know if that counts or not.
Whoa, I'm not paying attention. Holy crap, Taylor. Jesus. Really did it now. Holy crap, dude.
What?
Look at this.
Oh my god, dude, that's some spaghetti tire. Oh my god.
I need a zip tie.
Oh, you need a lot more than a zip tie, my
I
friend.
don't even know if I can keep this on. I'm gonna have
That was better.
Yeah, that's what I did.
So much good practice. We gotta do this more often.
Oh, I know.
Dude,
It's like private sessions in a Seto, except in real life.
I never realized how much more though. Like, I knew I'd enjoy driving a Z with them more, but it's so much easier because there's so much less to focus on. Driving that car is like a whole different animal with boost and the brake setup on it, and it's just been a lot of fun. Taylor's car has been getting beat. Dude, that was so much fun.
Dude, that was like amazing. We did what, 20 laps at least?
Yeah, we have to do this more often.
Yeah, that was like, I got so comfortable in this car in just that one session.
I feel like it's an important part that I forgot to mention, but we were actually drifting for pink slips today. And I won the drift battle, and I'm taking home a new whip. Only thing though, I'm gonna have to get rid of that funky front suspension stuff, because whatever it is, it makes it very hard to load into my trailer. Thanks for the car, bro. Better luck next time. Catch you on the mountain. What actually happened to your car?
Well, there was a huge, I mean, clearly it's totaled. What happened was I was taking the lug nuts off, and a bunch of the studs in the rear broke because they were seized. So I'm not gonna drive home on 2 lug nuts.
He actually, no. He wanted to drive home with 2 lug nuts, and I was like, nah.
Well, it's either that or like take a stud out of each wheel and like make that wheel good, but
He forgot to mention that the 2 studs that he had left were next to each other.
they're like 5, and it's just like these 3 are missing, so it's just like these 2 are the only ones. So
Sketchy. In summation, we had a lot of fun at the drift day with the Cream Z. Performed very, very well. The only thing is I do think it's going to end up needing a hydro. The stock handbrake did kind of stop working. Shulman was driving, so I don't know if he yanked it too hard or whatever, or if it just kind of wore out. But that's definitely something that you guys can expect to see for another video. I'm gonna probably have to do it on this car as well. But anyway, it was a ton of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There was a ton of driving. Gotta give a huge shout out to Matt the Ginge and Taylor for coming out, OSW for letting us use the track, and Shulman for helping us film. Definitely a ton of driving in this video. If you guys liked it, hit the thumbs up button and I will keep you posted. This footage took me forever to go through, and I spent like half the day editing, so there is a chance there won't be a video tomorrow, but I'll keep you guys updated on my Twitter. Later.